Hello there, it's me again, Captain Home. How are you today? Today I'm gonna introduce you to very special variety of lilium, which is really exclusive and so different to the regular variety. This one's a double variety with the name the Linda. Every name of the double variety is going to be ended by the letter A. For example, Viola, Angela, Ramona. The differences between the double variety and the single variety is the number of the petal layers. There are many layers of petals on the double flowers, and there is just only one layer of petal on the single flower. There's no stigma and stamens in the double flower, therefore the vase life of the double flower is much longer than the single flower in most of cases. And the perfume of the double lily, which is more suitable to the people who get some problem with the perfume allergy. The perfume of the double lily, which is not so strong, is a balance in the air. And the color of the double lily, which is spectacular, and that's the reason why I love this kind of flower so bad. It's my pleasure to enjoy this flower with all of you. And thank you for spending your time to watch this video. If you are the flower lover and you would like to know about the flower industry and the cultivation, let I suggest my channel to you. And don't forget to subscribe my channel for more video.